To update Windows 11, you can choose from many different ways. To see the list of these options, go into Settings, and from the left menu, select Windows Update. At the top, you will see the current status of the Windows Update for your system. To get the latest updates automatically, toggle on the top switch. With this enabled, updates are downloaded and installed as they become available, keeping your system as up-to-date as possible with each important update, including security patches, driver updates, and other critical updates. Use the Pause Updates option to temporarily stop the installation of Windows updates according to the time extension you choose, 1 week to 2 to 3 weeks. This option is useful when you prefer to wait for a specific time or to avoid disruptions while working. The update history provides a detailed log of all the updates that have been installed on your system. It includes information about the update type, date of installation, and any status-related messages. Use this information to track updates applied and to help troubleshoot update issues. Click on Learn More for even greater details. You can also uninstall certain updates from within this section. For additional information on uninstalling Windows updates, watch our YouTube support video by clicking the link shown. Expand the advanced options to see how you can further customize update installation and manage them. The 4 main options have toggles: turn on or off, receive updates for other Microsoft products, such as Office. Get Me Up to Date activates automatic as soon as possible restarts when installing new updates. Download updates over metered connections, and notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. You can change your system's active hours so Windows doesn't restart during the time period you set. You also have the opportunity to join the Windows Insider program and participate in Microsoft testing. This program allows users to get early access to preview builds of Windows before they are officially released to the general public. You can be among those who actually get to test new features and provide feedback to Microsoft, which is pretty cool. If you get an error while running any Windows updates, use the Update Troubleshooter. From within Settings, with System selected, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, then under Most Frequent, click on Run for Windows Update. The troubleshooter will start the process of detecting and resolving problems, so follow any on-screen instructions. Anytime you have any questions or need any help, you could always reach out to us through social media for assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum, where many questions get answered. Subscribe to our YouTube support channel today to get access to our ever-increasing video library. And thanks for watching.